Oh my gosh, finally. Hi everybody, my name is Jazmine Lambarca. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make a video about what I just received finally after 1 month and a half, right? Almost 2 months. So I still have one more item to arrive, so I have not received all my stuff from the launch of January 3rd. It's the first time that I experienced something like this. I don't know if this is normal, but yeah, quite an experience. But first, before getting into the specifics, subscribe to my channel so you can enjoy my videos every week. I post Mondays and Fridays. Also, you guys, I changed my nail polish and I just needed to tell you guys I love this nail polish. I did it myself and these are the colors. I just needed to tell you, this is 243 Make It Snappy from Sally Hansen from their Insta Dry line. And then this nail polish I got at Miniso. This is number 8. Yeah, it's kind of like this really pretty pinky glittery color. And then so 2 coats of this first and foremost, and then 2 coats of this one, and then I topped it out with 1 coat of this. This is the best top coat in the world. The best, better than anything else. Seche Vide, OPI, everybody else, right? And then I did put cuticle oil. So the last couple of months I've been into this OPI nail polish from the Hello Kitty collection. So this is their 50th anniversary and the color is Hello Kitty, Hello Pretty. And this is just like the most cutest red color with just a lot of glitter. Also, I did my own pedicure and it took me like 2 hours, I swear to God. So when I just like to do these things myself, ideally I would like to pay somebody, but I've experienced just so many people around where I live and in other spots, and it's just not up to par to what I'm expecting. It's not like great. I have to like direct them how I want my nails shaped more than once, even though at the beginning I tell them what to do. But yeah, it's just not great. So I'm kind of jelly of the girls that live in New York. They seem to get excellent service and excellent outcomes, like perfect. And here you just don't get that. So instead of like blowing out my money to have somebody do like a okay job, I just prefer to do it myself, you guys. So that's that about that. Okay, so I finally got one of the items that I've been expecting for a month, you guys. Here's my receipt. They did give me a really pretty bow, and this box was all bowed up, but I took it apart when I arrived home. You know what? I did not expect, I even forgot about this. So my sales associate, she gave me 2 perfume samples. So I am really excited about that. I don't own any of their LV perfumes. So yeah, these are the 2 samples she gave me. I am actually excited to try them and they smell really good. I have not tried it on myself yet, but soon enough. Okay, here is the cute, beautiful moment that I've been waiting for a decade or 2. Okay, so I have many cosmetic bags, but this is like the gem of gems of cosmetic bags. Gem of gems. I needed to have it, definitely. So I took the opportunity now on this launch to get my favorite ever cosmetic bag in the world. Sadly, there's no pink LVs on the front, you guys. That is the only thing. But other than that, I will enjoy this. So yeah, this is the little cosmetic pouch. It is literally so beautiful and so stunning. I literally cannot believe like finally have this. Honestly, on the first launch of the Murakami, I obviously was super young, unaware of this collection and this brand in general, you guys, like, and obviously could not afford it. A worse situation, you know, at the time. But now that I'm an adult, I was able to, you know, give in to the collection, and I'm just so happy. I do have one more item that I am waiting for. Funny thing is that this had an ETA of a later date of March, but this one arrived first, and then the other one had a sooner ETA, but now I still don't have it. The ETA was supposed to be on the 12th or 17th, something like that. But yeah, I mean, this whole fiasco has been just a lot, and surprising, shocking. Also, I have not been able to put my second order in, so not yet anyway. I have a lot of notifies me on a lot of these items. So there was one item that came back in stock, but I just had to pass on the flats. So the flats came back in my size, but I just decided to pass, you guys. I don't know. I was feeling like, I don't know if I'm actually gonna wear these that much, because, you know, we have snow, salt, and I just don't want these to get ruined at all. I am very, very happy that I received this. What am I gonna put inside? I don't know yet, because obviously I want this to last me a long time. I don't want to ruin it. I feel like if I actually put makeup in here, I will put it in a little bag and then put it in here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But how beautiful is this? I'm so happy that I got at least one item first. And as soon as I get the next item, I will let you guys know and give you an update. I definitely want to place another order, you guys, because there's definitely something, like 3 things I really want. We'll see if I can actually put those in. We'll see. I will give you guys updates. All right, so that's it for my video today. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.